this is the one and only expert dating coach Annabella Rose here from calmerlifestyles.com. Today I'm going to be talking about how to use your shy personality to get hot women. Now before we start, please click that cheeky subscribe button and turn on the notifications, as there's going to be so many more videos coming your way. Women love shy guys. The reason why is because shy guys make excellent conversationalists. They hardly talk a lot, which is always beneficial because sometimes they may not even say a word. And being a shy dude is one of the character traits that can work to your advantage. Therefore, listen to her and let her talk her heart out. We feel so good when a guy pays attention to everything that we're saying and at all times is just smiling and admiring our beauty and our personality. Like in my ebook, An Introverted Casanova, An Introvert's Guide to Dating and Becoming More Social, shy guys are giving meaningful techniques and advice on how to get hooked to that hot woman. Also, shy guys are different and hard to read, which makes them mysterious, and we kind of like to unravel your mysteries. Advantages of being a shy guy. Number one, as you've seen, most women prefer to befriend shy guys, mostly because they're excellent listeners and considerate. So this is a plus point that's on your side. But obviously, you want things to go past the friend zone. You want to win her heart and make her your queen. Therefore, you have no choice but to do the one thing most shy guys fear the most, and that's approach her once and for all. Number two, a girl will find it charming when a guy is shy, but with time this might get a little bit boring. You will need to get off and out of that comfort zone and start opening up to her. Even the shyest of dudes will finally open up after a few interactions, so worry not. Number three. Now you might not know this, but shy guys have been said to make the best sexual partners. This reason is mostly lies with females and female dominance. We feel in power and in control around shy guys. So the next time that you step out for a coffee or invite her round to yours for a drink at home, let go and allow her to have her way with you. Now I assure you, she will like it, and hey, who knows? There might be more of those flings lined up. How can you use your shyness to your advantage? Girls love talking to shy guys, mostly because of their warm nature and ability to listen attentively. Therefore, use this to your advantage and don't let it go to waste. But despite the fact, the point is not to hide too much in your shell, but to try and make the interaction as soothing as possible. Play your role in the conversation by listening to her and providing some little warmth so that she doesn't feel like she's the only confident one. You can simply do that by qualifying her, or maybe complimenting how cute or funny she looks when she does something. In Introverted Casanova, An Introvert's Guide to Dating and Becoming More Social, you get a sneaky and flirty ways to do just that. For the interaction not to look one-sided, just throw in some advice to reassure her that you're listening and following along. The advantage here is that unlike outgoing kind of guys, you don't take things too far by overdoing it. Finally, how can you get that hot woman? You can finally take charge of your thoughts and do away with all that negativity that limits you from getting that dream girl. All you require is the willingness and the guidance to execute it well. There are so many better ways and means of talking to hot women, and despite your shy nature, will be successful. If shyness is how you roll, then just apply the following tips and improvements will come naturally. Appear bold. Gather up your boldness even if you're shy. The goal is to fake it till you make it. By doing so, you'll be hiding the fact that your heart is racing on the inside. My tip here is for you to appear like you're bold by simply talking less and replying in short, structured sentences, which makes you seem more confident than shy and make sure your nerves don't come out to play. No matter what, do not admit that you are shy. Now, we might like shy guys, but the truth be told, it may get boring at some point. Above all, we want the guy that we have a crush on to pursue and protect us. Also, mentioning that you're shy can quickly turn your favour against you. It might make her feel overconfident. So just stick to the quiet guy personality. After all, it's very appealing and mysterious to a female. Man up and approach her. Even after going by all these tips and getting that hot woman to be interested in you, you need to put a little leg work first. No one can avoid this part, unfortunately. So gather up all your bravery and approach her. You can even use a friend, maybe to introduce you and maybe get her number. From there, things will be so much easier, as you can accomplish most of your wooing via text or messages. Introverted Casanova, an introvert's guide to dating and becoming more social, is the holy grail for any shy guy who wishes to get hot women chasing after him. All in all, the trick is to getting a hot woman when you are a shy guy just lies in being warm and making it possible for her to get along with you. Avoid being ice cold. That's how most shy guys come across. Little moments of confidence mixed with the shyness can create this incredibly attractive interaction with her. So, click on the link below or click on the card above and it will take you to our display page. Now, once the payment is complete, you can download the ebook and start reading in a blink. Gents, if you've loved this video and want to hear more, you know what to do. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Follow us on all of our social media that you can find in the description box below. I've been Annabella Rose and I'll see you next time.